Hello, fellow observers of human behavior and those intrigued by the language of attention. Welcome back to Wonderful Relationship. Today, we're delving into a topic that's all about understanding subtle signals, deciphering the clues, 15 signs a girl is seeking your attention. Attention is a powerful force, and sometimes, it speaks in whispers. But before we unveil these intriguing signs, remember to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you're always in the loop with our insightful content. Let's sharpen your observational skills and discover the subtle signs of attention seeking. Are you ready to decode the signals that indicate a girl is seeking your attention? Let's explore these 15 intriguing signs that can help you understand when someone wants to capture your focus. Section 1, Body Language. Sign 1, frequent glances your way. If you catch her looking at you often, it's a strong indicator that she's trying to capture your attention. Sign 2, playing with hair. Twirling or running fingers through her hair can be a subconscious attention-seeking behavior. Sign 3, fidgeting or preening. Adjusting clothing, fixing makeup, or straightening posture when you're around is a sign of wanting to make a good impression. Sign 4, leaning in your direction. When she's engaged in a conversation and subtly leans toward you, it's a nonverbal way to get closer and grab your attention. Sign 5, mirroring your movements. Subconsciously copying your gestures or posture is a sign of wanting to connect and be noticed. Section 2, Verbal Cues. Sign 6, frequent use of your name. Using your name in conversation can create a sense of intimacy and grab your attention. Sign 7, extensive questioning. If she consistently asks about your interests, experiences, or opinions, she's trying to engage you in conversation. Sign 8, engaging in playful teasing. Lighthearted teasing or joking around is a way to capture your attention and establish rapport. Sign 9, sharing personal stories. Opening up about her own experiences and anecdotes can be a way to connect and draw you into the conversation. Sign 10, frequent laughter at your jokes. If she laughs heartily at your humor, it's a sign of wanting to acknowledge your wit and charm. Section 3, Digital Signals. Sign 11, initiating text conversations. If she often starts texting conversations, it's a sign that she wants your attention and interaction. Sign 12, frequent use of emojis or GIFs. Playful or flirty emojis and GIFs can indicate a desire to engage you in fun and attention-grabbing conversations. Sign 13, prompt replies. Quick responses to your messages show eagerness to maintain a dialogue and keep your attention. Sign 14, liking and commenting on your social media posts. Active engagement with your online content is a way to show interest and stay connected. Sign 15, frequent tagging or mentioning you in posts. Involving you in her online activities is a sign of wanting to include you in her digital world. And there you have it, 15 signs a girl may be seeking your attention. Keep in mind that these signals may vary from person to person, but recognizing them can help you understand when someone wants to connect and be noticed. Thank you for joining me on this intriguing journey into the world of subtle attention-seeking cues. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who might appreciate these insights. And, of course, subscribe to our channel for more eye-opening content. If you have thoughts or experiences to share, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Stay tuned for more enlightening insights, and until next time, may you be more attuned to the subtle signals of attention seekers around you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video. See you soon.